Hola, ¿cómo estás? Bienvenido a Jump Pack Cooking. Mi nombre es Chef Ray and Mr. Dinero. Today we doing creamy, rich Mexican street corn, aka elote. Vámonos, 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 vámonos. ¿Qué pasa, amigo? Listen, today is elote. You know, Mexico was the first country about 5,000 to 7,000 years ago to discover corn. Started from a wild grass named Elote. Now, thanks to Mexico, we got popcorn, corn, and we love it. So let's get going today. Listen, we doing an elote. It's a Mexican street corn dish, man, where they soup this corn up and they put all type of good spices and rich flavor with lemon pepper, cayenne pepper, queso, crema. Let's get started. Listen, so to this pot of boiling water, we added about a tablespoon of, oh, that's hot. We added about a tablespoon of salt and 4 tablespoons of butter. So let's take this out. We're gonna get some corn in. Today we got whole corn on the cob, fresh. We're just doing a couple because we're not doing much corn. Let that corn boil until it's tender and juicy. Take about 6 or 7 minutes. While we're doing that, I'm gonna show y'all something special. Look, I got these here. Come on in here, I'm gonna show you this. These are handmade, hand-carving wood dominoes. Got them from Mexico. Even the box was made, carved by hand. It's all wood. I thought that was hella cool, man. That's nice. For this elote, it's always, every time I get it, y'all know I'm from Texas. Every time I get it, it comes in something like this, a styrofoam cup. We definitely need the cayenne, magic dust, and lemon pepper for this elote. All right, so this corn been going, man. This corn is about done. Let's take the lid off. Perfect. That's just perfect. It's juicy, tender, and it's been in that brine. So we're gonna peel some of this corn. Get you some of these so you won't burn your hand. Cool little gadgets. When I go and get this corn, there's a place in Texas that I go to, and they pretty famous. Frill City, it's a gas station. It's a gas station, truck stop, all in one. But they do have food. They do Mexican street tacos and elote. Right outside up front. They got so big to the fact that a lot of food shows come and visit them, and they known for their tacos. They known for their tacos in elote. We can knock this elote out and mimic it, just like, have it tasting just like Frill City. Drop a comment in the comment down below if you're from Texas and you know something about Frill City. This is what we got. We're gonna take some of our boiling liquid that we boiled the corn in and pour it right over here. They don't leave a lot of liquid on your corn, but they do give you enough to where it keep your corn moist. They give the flavor that they cook, the butter flavor that they cook the corn in. This is what they do. They take a styrofoam cup, and I promise you, this is the same thing that these people do when I get my corn. So if it don't taste right, I'm gonna be hella mad. Boom, 1 in the cup, just like that. Corn in the cup. Parquet butter, squirt of the butter. Do you want it spicy? I always get spicy, so I put cayenne pepper. And of course, I'm gonna put them onto the magic dust. Lemon pepper, cheese. I used to think it was Parmesan, but it's not. It's called cotija. It's a Mexican grated cheese. Repeat the steps. Corn, butter, cayenne pepper, magic dust, lemon pepper. Don't forget the creamer. Gotta have the creamer in there. The Mexican hot sauce. When I get it, you can barely put the lid on it. I did just forget my cheese, so let's go ahead and put more cheese right quick. Finish it off. You get your lid with a spoon right in the middle, just like that. And this is elote, made by your boy, Chef Ray, Mr. Dinero. Look, then when you get it, you gotta stir it up. Don't forget to stir your corn. It's actually looking just like home, like when I get it at Frill City. Leave a comment down below if you're from Dallas, Texas, or you've been through Texas, and you've been to Frill City, and you had this corn. Come on. That's delicious. Take me right back to home. Thank you, Mexico, for corn. Corn was domesticated in Honduras. Just another little fact for you, them facts. Thank you, Mexico. Anti-wall, don't build no wall. We don't need no wall. Smash that like button if you don't want that wall. I'll be in Mexico next week. I'm going to Cancun. I've been there 1,000 times. Yeah, amigos, so if you enjoyed this recipe, if you're swinging through Dallas Texas anytime soon, make sure you stop by Frill City and get you some of this elote. Smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring the bell. We'll let you know the next time we jamming and cooking. Paz amor. Peace and love. Adios, my friend.